BlueJay provides insulation monitoring solutions for EV safety. There are 3 types of EV insulation monitoring device from BlueJay. The first type is BIM M1000. It continuously monitors the EV's full electrical system for insulation degradation, provides round-the-clock high-voltage safety protection, and fits all electric vehicle models. The second type is JI1000EV. It is designed for ungrounded DC drive systems ID systems in electric vehicles. The third type is EV insulation monitoring device without enclosures. It is designed for ungrounded drive systems in hybrid and electric vehicles. BlueJay EV IMD applies frequency signal injection. The EV IMD injects a test signal into the EV high voltage system. It measures signal leakage to the chassis. Strong insulation means little leakage. Weak insulation increases leakage. Once resistance drops below the safety limit, the IMD sends an alert or shuts down high voltage to prevent danger. Now, let us look at the wiring diagrams of EV IMD. For DC systems, connect the device's plus and terminals directly to the DC bus for positive and negative ports. For AC systems, on single phase, connect terminals L1 and L2 to the systems matching L1 and L2. On 3-phase, connect L1 and L2 to any 2 of the 3 phase lines. For AC system wiring of the JI1000EV, refer to this diagram. Terminal S may connect to any of U, V, W, L, or N. For AC system wiring of the JI1000EV, refer to this diagram. Terminal S may connect to any of U, V, W, L, or N. This wiring diagram applies to insulation monitoring on electric vehicles with a galvanically isolated AC onboard charger. The figure above shows exactly where the onboard insulation monitoring device IMD is installed inside the electric vehicle. BlueJay EV insulation monitoring is compatible with any electric vehicle. Our EV IMD can be used in electric and hybrid vehicles, utility vehicles, and special vehicles.